Okay, that was 10 years old. Simultaneously, around that same time in school, I had to find a way to defend myself and my classmates because I had been elected president of my school class from grades 3, 4, 5, and 6. In fifth grade, I was 10, we had, I'm sure she escaped from the Catholic Church and was once a nun, Miss McLean, who a mess and at minimum incredibly racist, teaching elementary school in an integrated neighborhood. We had black and white children in our class, which at that time was kind of unusual. It's not today, but it was then. She was horrible. And our class had traveled together from basically from first grade. First grade, same kids. Second grade, same kids. Third grade, same kids. Fourth grade, same kids. Fifth grade, we expected to have our camaraderie and our sense of we're a class and we stand as a class together even though we're not all best friends. We expected that to continue. She cut that off at the head once we got into her room. Her remark when we asked when we would continue our French classes, we were having French lessons on TV and we wanted to continue that because it was going well. No, 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 no. You're not going to have French lessons. Most of you can't even speak English. These kinds of things, very passive aggressive, a lot of microaggression going on every day. There was a young man who sat in front of me. His name was Dennis Cohen. He was biting his nails down to the quick. He was so distraught. Tension, unbelievable. I went home every day with a stomach ache. Day after day. Like, just, this is horrible. She took it too far. I'll tell you, the primal quest. I'm sorry, this is too far. I realized that we were having a big problem and it wasn't going to work out well, and then we needed an intervention. So, being president of the class, I made an appointment with the principal of the school, Mr. Dennis. I need to see the principal. So he was great. He said, "Okay, what's up? Tell me what's going on." And I told him about what was happening in our class with Miss McClanahan, and I said, "You know what? We need some help. It would be great if you would talk to her because she's making mincemeat out of us and we don't deserve that."